If you ask a Manchester United fan who they think their most talented player is, most of the time their answer will be Anthony Martial. The Frenchman arrived in Manchester with great expectations after United agreed to a deal worth up to £58 million with former club Monaco, making him the most expensive teenager in world football. And he didn't disappoint after a tremendous first season in England. The youngster immediately endeared himself to the Old Trafford faithful with a tremendous solo goal in his debut against Liverpool, and he continued that form throughout the season, finishing with 17 goals in 49 appearances in his first season in England. Such was his impact that United legend Sir Alex Ferguson heaped great praise for the former Monaco man, claiming he could do everything. "The boy Anthony Martial, he can be anything," said Ferguson. "What I like about the boy is that he doesn't panic. I don't think you can teach that." Martial had a tough second season, only notching 8 goals in 38 appearances, but he has returned to form this campaign. So far this season Martial has contributed 11 goals in 38 games, and playing predominantly on the left wing, has been one of United's standout performers so far. The Frenchman has terrorized opposition defenders numerous times during his time in England, but the 22-year-old seems to be doing it on a more consistent basis this term. And, using clips from his 3-year stay on these shores, a Man United fan has compiled a video showing him absolutely embarrassing opposition defenders, both for club and country. And what has been created is pretty special. Just have a look below at the amount of talent that the Frenchman possesses. Impeccable. That skill in a pre-season game against Real Madrid to bamboozle some of the world's best defenders before setting it on a plate for Lingard to tap into an empty net was undoubtedly the highlight